everyone, welcome to our channel, Malware Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your playlist to watch later with one click. My previous video I showed you guys how to do it from your Android phone, and today I'm going to show you how to do it from your desktop or laptop. Very simple, very easy. With a couple of clicks you can get it done. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I saved my link in the WordPad, which is right here, and I'm coming to that point later on. First I'm going to show you there's nothing in the watch later. Okay, see, nothing. So I'm just gonna open my WordPad where I saved my link. So I'm just gonna copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it right here, Ctrl V, enter. As you can see, this is my playlist, which has like 47 videos altogether, and I'm just gonna click on play all. Play all.
Seize the Sunday and every day with our new Elevate collection.
See, those are all my videos, 47 videos, and I'm just gonna scroll down and I can pick like any video I want. So usually you can pick any video you want. So go with the it's like more views. This one has like 41k views, so I'm choosing this one. Click on three dots and click add to queue. Just wait until it's added. I believe it's added, and I'm just gonna scroll up all the way. You see there is a save over here. Save. Click on save. Once you do it, it says watch later. Just click on watch later. So it's already added. And remember, I had like 47 videos, but I had one extra videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna delete the last videos, because I know like that was the last one. So I'm just gonna scroll right here. See, virtual whatever. This is not my playlist. I'm just gonna delete that one. Click on three dots and remove from playlist. And this is how you do it. Very simple and very easy. I hope this video is like helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please comment me in the down below. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and let me know your experience, how that helped you to transfer your playlist to watch later. Until then, stay fit. Thanks for watching.